In this video, we want to find the number of positive integral solutions x, y, z of equation x plus y plus z is 15, where x is less than or equal to y, less than or equal to z. The way to do this is to just do case by case. We're going to let x be 1 first. So when x is 1, we're going to look at all the cases where y is greater than or equal to 1, but then z is less than or equal to y. So we start off with x is 1, y is 1, y is 2, y is 3. And then we're going to stop when y is equal to z. And so that happens when they're both 7. The next case is when x is 2. So x and y have to start at 2, and then we add 1 to the y, subtract 1 in the z. And then we'll stop when you reach y being 6 and then z being 7. They both cannot be the same value because that means we'll have an even plus an even plus an even will give us an even number. But here we want it to be an odd number. So therefore y has to be less than z. And then when we go to x equals 3, because 3 is odd, we can have odd plus even is odd. And so these two numbers, y and z, can be the same. So that's going to be 6 for y and z. Then we move on to x is 4. So when x is 4, we also start y being 4. And then we stop when x is 4, y is 5, and z is 6. And then finally, when x is 5, that's when we get that all x, y, and z are the same. And so there's only one case when x is 5. So if we add these all up together, we have 7 when x is 1. We have 5 when x is 2. We have 4 when x is 3. 2 when x is 4. And 1 when x is 5. To get a total solutions as 19. So that's going to be the final answer.